In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Claude producing inconsistent code in long conversations. Claude can be an extremely helpful tool for coding projects, whether you're building applications, writing scripts, debugging errors, or learning new programming concepts. Many developers use Claude to speed up development and improve productivity. However, as coding conversations become longer, you may sometimes notice inconsistencies in the generated code. Claude might change naming conventions, use different architectures, switch programming patterns, or produce code that no longer matches earlier parts of the project. This can be frustrating because inconsistent code is harder to maintain, debug, and expand over time. Instead of moving the project forward, you may spend additional time correcting differences between responses. In most cases, this happens because long conversations contain a large amount of context, and important project standards may become less prominent over time. The good news is that there are simple ways to keep Claude aligned with your coding requirements and improve consistency throughout a project. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of practical methods to generate more consistent code during longer development sessions. So let's get started. The first method is to create a project standards document. Before requesting code, prepare a short list of project rules. Include details such as programming language, naming conventions, file structure, framework preferences, and coding style requirements. Then, provide those standards whenever you begin a new coding session. This gives Claude a clear reference point and helps maintain consistency across responses. If the conversation becomes very long, consider starting a new session and providing a summary of the project. Include the current architecture, important design decisions, and any coding standards that must be followed. A fresh session with a clear project summary often produces more consistent results than continuing an extremely long conversation. In most situations, these simple methods can significantly improve code quality. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a project standards document that defines how code should be written. Second, provide those standards whenever Claude generates code. And third, start a new session with a concise project summary when conversations become too long. Remember that consistency is one of the most important aspects of software development. Clean and predictable code is easier to maintain, understand, and expand over time. Giving Claude clear standards and organized context helps reduce unexpected changes and improves the overall quality of the generated code. It's also a good practice to review important architectural decisions periodically so future responses remain aligned with the project's goals. A small amount of planning at the beginning of a project can save a significant amount of time later during development and debugging. And that's how to fix Claude producing inconsistent code in long conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or AI workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.